In this video, I'll show you how to make a seafood fideuá. Cut an onion in small pieces. Chop up 2 cloves of garlic. Cut 1 spring onion into rings. Cut a tomato in small parts. Test the oil if it's hot enough, and if so, fry 250 grams of Spanish fideo pasta until it turns golden brown. When the pasta looks similar to this, remove the pasta from the pan and set it aside. Add the garlic to a pan with hot oil. Add the shrimp and mussels. Add a little bit of soju or white wine. Add the little bits of onion and tomato. Add 750 milliliter of fish stock. Add a few teaspoons of chili powder. Keep boiling over high heat until the liquid has reduced and that there's still enough water left in the pan to cover the fideo pasta. Now we can add the pasta. Stir it once in a while to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. When it looks like this, let it slowly simmer at low heat until all the liquid is absorbed. As a final touch, add the spring onions when you see that the outer edges are becoming golden brown. Place the pan on a coaster on the dinner table and leave it for a few minutes so that the bottom can get crispy. Serve the pasta with a big dollop of aioli or a creamy mayonnaise on the side.